This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the list series. This video is about list membership. So in addition to the keyword in being used to iterate through an iterable in a for loop, the keyword in also tests if a value is present in a sequence. And by sequence, you can think string or a list or something along those lines, something that can be construed as a sequence. So remember with strings that we're able to easily test for a substring using the keyword in. So for example, if we have the string of the alphabet, and we can consider that a sequence, we can test for if hi is in that string, and it's going to display true, that yes, it is in that string. We could also test to see if I is in the string team. Is I in team? No, there is no I in team. Okay, so similar for lists. Let's just say we have a list of being referenced by fruits. It has mango, Spondius mobin, banana, kiwi, pineapple. And we're testing to see if banana is in fruits. And yes, banana, that is an element of the fruits list. Now what about apple? Is apple in there? Well, I see pineapple, but that's not the same. It's going to display false because it's only looking at complete elements. It's not looking at parts of them, only complete ones. So apple is not in fruits, although pineapple is. Okay. So what do you think the following will display? Let's have a crazy list. Let's make it crazier. Yeah, let's add a list in there in the third element, which is a list. And now let's see, is the string just capital A in crazy list? I see it there. Yes, it is. What about 1? Yep, I see 1 in the crazy list. What about 42? No, because in only returns, in only looks at the first level, or you could say dimension of the list, and not any other. And so here we have a list and a list. And so if we search for the list substring, comma, 42, it would find that, but it's not going to find 42 because that is an element of the sublist. Analogous to how it didn't find apple, although we had pineapple. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos in this series.